Hello everyone, this is Carol from Igracelite Equipment Corporation Limited. As a source manufacturer with more than 40 years of export experience, we did over 8,000 successful cases. We are known as one-stop solution supplier, also a verified supplier on Alibaba of stage lights and stage equipment for 4 years. Today, let me show you our super products, the waterfall cold spark machine. Firstly, it is made of high-quality fixed aluminum materials and use electromagnetic heating with temperature controls. As we know, the cheap cold spark machine in the market are adopted resistant heating. Obviously, the electromagnetic heating is more better than resistant heating. And secondly, let's compare of our remote control with others. Our remote control is built in with a programmed effect. That means you don't need to even connect with DMS cable to control them by control to get the programmed effect. Also, our cold spark machine has a lot of advantage, which is you to worth it. And if you need more detailed information, please contact us at any time. So let me show you our cold spark machine effects. Thank you for your watching. Okay, so how to use the waterfall cold spark machine? First, we should install the clamp and then open this cover and add the powder in the machine. Yes, and close the powder, and then we should open the switch and to hang on the charge. We should to open this switch, and then we should to use the remote control to hit on the cold spark machine. So first press the powder and then press the hit on key. And until the temperature reaches above 500 temperature and it show you the green light, it means ready to work. When the cold spark machine ready to work, we can press the high 1, high 2, high 3. So press the high 1, high 2, and the high 3. Yeah, also we can use our cold spark machine to make the different effect. Like we have A-B effect. A is from left to right. Left to right to middle. Yes, middle to left to right. And the B effect is left to right to do the function at the same time. Left right to middles. And middle to left to right.